Happy Saturday to all of you. How are you doing? I hope you've had a healthy breakfast. You are sipping a cup of coffee and everything. So yeah, if you are sipping a cup of coffee, please grab your cup of coffee and stay glued onto this video of mine, because today we are going to do something creative. So I was getting bored because I was tired of seeing this dull old nursery pot. This is one of my rehab plants. If you have seen my previous video on the list of rehab and rescued plants I have, then you might know what I'm talking about here. In case you have still not seen that video of my rehab plants, I will put a link up there so that you can go through this video. Now this guy was anyways sad because I had picked him up from the side of the road and I have potted him up and everything. He has got beautiful buds. He bloomed for me 2 days back, as I had mentioned in my video. Now he's got beautiful buds again. I am expecting them to bloom tomorrow, as you can see. So I thought, why not give him a bit of positivity here? So I thought that I will decorate his pot. Now we are going to do a very simple process for decorating this beautiful pot of his. As you see, the pot is already black in color, so I'm not going to use any extra coat of paint or any spray paint or any other color paint. I'm going to keep it natural black. Then I have these glitter papers in 2 different shades. This is a silver one with a multicolored tinge, like a multicolored reflection, and this is a black with a silvery finish. Now what we will do is that we will just cut pieces out of this paper, like this. You can cut the pieces in any haphazard manner. You don't have to be particular on the sizes and the shapes of the pieces. It can be in any random size. Something like this. See? So similarly, I have cut more pieces, more black pieces in various sizes. Now we'll do the same thing with the silver one. So as you see, just cut out weird looking triangles. You just have to be creative, guys. You don't have to be worried that your shape should have a perfect outline and all that. Nothing. So this entire lockdown and this corona craziness has done us a lot good, I feel. People have become more creative. People who are enthusiastic about cooking are coming up with new recipes. They are cooking tons and tons of good stuff. And people who are artisty have come up with new ways of being creative. And I guess it has given us a moment to admire our surroundings, to pay respect to our nature and be proud of it. So yeah. So that's it. Now we have our shapes. Yeah. Both the silver and the black ones. Now we will stick them on. That's it. So now that I have my angle right for sticking on the pieces, and so that you can have a better visual, let's get started. So I'm using this silicone glue for gluing the pieces onto the pot. This is a heavy duty adhesive which I got from Itsy Bitsy. I will try and post a link in case I can find it. So yeah, let's start. So you can be creative, you just don't have to worry so much. You can use any angle you want, as I said. So I am starting with here. I know it's black, it's not visible. I will. Okay. you have to hold it a bit so that the adhesive sticks onto the pot surface just for a few seconds. You can also use Fevicol, guys, but then I chose this heavy duty adhesive so that it is long lasting, and since my pot is outside on my balcony, it faces harsh temperatures of the day and sometimes rain as well, so I wanted it to be extra protected. So that's why I chose this heavy duty industry adhesive. Let's do some black. I had got this sheet for a different project of mine. Basically, I made a entry home board. That's why I had got these two sheets, and then these are basically leftovers from that project of mine, and I thought that why not, why waste it? Why not utilize this in something creative as well? So yeah, that's what we are going to do. Just crisscross patterns, nothing specific. This silicone glue dries up really fast, guys. So you have to be a bit careful when you use this. Saturday is a lazy day, I think. I am all off work. Saturdays and Sundays are days of the entire week when I can finally breathe and dedicate the entire day to myself and spend some quality time with my dog. Not that I'm not spending quality time with him during this lockdown craziness, but Saturdays and Sundays I am like completely off bounds and I get to do whatever I feel like and enjoy the days to the fullest. So yeah, I hope you guys can see the effect. Okay, hold on, I'll just change the position of the camera. 1 second. Okay, so I guess this is a better angle. That side was comparatively dark. The effect was not coming through. So this is how we are going to go ahead. Yeah. I won't go too low on the pot because when I water it, the water trickles down from there and I don't want these decorations to get spoiled. So this is the length I would maintain. as I said, you have to hold on to this glue. So one side of the pot is done, and I will quickly do the other sides and show you guys. So yeah guys, this is the final look. This is how the look came after we stuck all the glitter pieces. So I'm happy that this sad looking plant finally got some glitter and color in its life. I hope now it keeps, it flourishes and gives me new blooms. So yeah, that was all for today's video guys. I hope you are liking my videos. Please do like and subscribe, and also hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss out on my new uploads. Stay tuned guys. Bye bye.